Connect the foot switch to the connector socket on the machine. Use the manual power switch to start the machine. To turn it off, please use the manual power switch to shut down the machine. After starting the machine with the foot switch, the machine will continue to operate. If you need to pause, please press the foot switch to turn off the operation function after the machine has been running for 2 seconds.